AI is fun. It's everywhere, but also it has its consequences. Some can be funny, but others can be very dark and not great. So, I wanted to make a video to share some of these case studies of when AI went rogue. I'm back, sharing things that interest me or I'm just curious about, so let's get into AI. Because lately, I feel like AI is everywhere and in every app and on every web browser, and they do so much. We can start by analyzing this AI-generated landscape by taking a look at the large tech companies. They are the ones pioneering this technology after all. Do you remember back in 2016, one of the first AI projects called the TAY went viral, and it went absolutely terribly, catastrophically wrong. TAY was designed to pretty much mimic the language of a teenage girl using social media. Weird enough. To say that TAY was flawed would be a huge understatement, considering it was repeating offensive and, quite frankly, racist statements. All of this language that TAY was using was actually language that she learned from being online. 24 hours after releasing TAY to Twitter, it was already interacting with hundreds of thousands of people. TAY quickly went from hello world to burn in hell feminists. As one Twitter user put it, she went from humans are really cool to Nazis are awesome in less than 24 hours. Microsoft did get a lot of backlash for this project. That was 2016, but it wasn't the last that AI would go awry. Pretty much anytime AI goes rogue from its initial design, the internet, well, loves it and it goes viral and we all learn about it. How can we forget the DeepFake Meta? First, the term deepfake comes from deep learning, which is a thing that computers do, and obviously fakes, imitating, the act of recreating. Artificial intelligence trained software takes your footage, your images, and then creates a video synthesis of sorts. These videos were then called deepfakes, and mostly they were harmless and full of a lot of fun. To average users not looking to be malicious, it was actually a good time. However, by the end of 2019, most deepfakes, up to 96%, were actually explicit content. Yeah. Deep Nude was an AI-generated app that generated realistic images of naked people. This is why we can't have nice things. Users of this AI-powered app would simply upload, clothed people, and then the app does the rest. The internet deserves less. We can all take a deep breath here, though, because after this app was released, the creator took it off the App Store because, well, obvious reasons. More recently, in 2022, a deepfake of Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky surfaced telling troops to surrender. If there's anything we can take away from AI-generated content going rogue, it's to be careful. This is ultimately new technology that we fully don't understand. It is so new that us humans really don't understand its full implications yet. Emphasis of responsibility should also be placed on us, the user of the AI. It is important to understand the basic principles of AI as well as the limitations and potential biases. This means being aware of potential consequences that are intended and not intended effects, and ultimately engage in ongoing education about new technology. The field of AI-generated content is constantly evolving, so it's up to us to make sure we're staying up to date. AI technology is really there to help simplify our lives, bring a little fun into our lives, and get the creative juices flowing. I'll link a few things below so you can go and tinker around with some AI-generated content yourself. Just remember, stay a good person, y'all. Be out.